Well, you know, every time you look at a project and it feels as if it's come on a great deal, I feel like I've slightly overdone it. You know, you're doing one of them jigsaw pieces, you think, oh, I've done 250 pieces, 500 pieces, I'll have a crack on 1,000 pieces. And you tip it out onto the dining room table and you're just trying to find the edges, and then all of a sudden you realise you've bitten off a lot more than you can chew. Well, we're there. Look, look at all the bags that we've got up here in readiness for the pass, because there's quite a lot of paths going down there. And we've had to get them right from the other side of the road across to here, so all the material is here. We've done a few more paths. There's this one that's just come along here. Every time I come up there's something different. We've got the path linking its way over here, so you know, just like a jigsaw, sections are starting to come together. But of course, all the things that we neatly did with a little bit of mud and propping up, it looks as if, well, it's just coming together, but it's at that painful stage at the moment. Looking on the bright side, a good percentage of the paths are already down, and when the rest of them are down, and we've got all the materials that we need right from the field at the front into the area here, so it's just the slog now. It's just firming that hardcore down and putting in the concrete paths, because I say again, this is much more than just an area to grow. For us, I'm hoping this will be the next 2 decades growing, and that's why I particularly wanted proper pathways all the way down, although my kids see this as a great deal of opportunity to bring the scooters, the go-karts and the bikes around here, which I'm not too pleased about. I've really just got to start using the greenhouse, I suppose. That'll give me a bit of a feeling, because the moment plants start to come into the area, there's a little bit of joy, there's a little bit of growing. So I've got to clean the glass down here, sweep on the inside of it, make sure the other essentials are there, flask of tea, radio, the usual. And then I'm going to start to bring a lot of my sensitive plants like geraniums and some of the fuchsias that I'm overwintering, osteospermums and the like, into here. Repot many of them as I can and get ready to start propagating, because, you know, it's nearly the end of January. What a long month that has been. February is a very short month. Every night it's getting lighter as it goes, so spring will be on us before we know. And certainly next month, well, in a week or so, I need to start getting some seeds on the grow. Germinating is the next thing. So when you tune in to watch to see how far I'm getting on, the beds will still be being made, but we can at least talk about doing a little bit of growing at the same time. So as a recap, raised beds are nearly ready to go in. We've just got to do the grunt of it now and get all the pathways into position, greenhouse cleared, and then it'll be up and running. Before you know it, keep positive, keep positive.